Our guest of honor in front of you, we are Patricia and Ruida from Khadiija Girls Primary and Junior School.
Iskuulka Khadiija Girls Primary ayaa maanta lagu qabtay kulan la isugu keenay ardayda labo iskuul oo ka socotay Bulla Mpya Primary iyo Khadiija. Kulanka ayaa waxaa soo qaban qaabiyay hay'adda Women for Peace oo kaashanaysa Operation Napad oo taageero ka helaysa Midowga Yurub. Ujeedka kulanka ayaa ahaa fariin gudbinta nabadda ardayda iyo macallimiinta iyo xalinta khilaafaadka bulshada. Ardayda ayaa watay fariimo dhambaal nabadeed xambaarsan. Waxay soo bandhigeen rubaayado ka tarjumaya waxyaabaha bulshada haatan ka dhex jira iyo qoysaska saameynaya sida tahriibka.
Sudan waa laga sii wadaa Liibiya la sii keenaa. Liibiya Spain dhaxdooda waxaa u dhaxayso bad ayaa u dhaxayso.
gabadhaada waan haysanaa waa Liibiya ku haysanaa hadda lacagta ka soo diraysid labada kiliyood iyo wadnaha kala baxna waan gadanaynaa 3 milyan lacag ka badan way helaynaa laakiin 3 milyan iska soo dir gabadhaada nafteeda hadda rabtid.
Organize events where young people can meet employers and learn about job opening. Number 4, community projects. Volunteer initiatives encourage youth to participate in community service, which can lead to job opportunities and skill development.
أنا كساكيتي أنا كأوريني ورطة غير قرعة غير على القرابة يا أوريين مركي أنا ورطة تجني أنا كورطة بي أري وربسنا إني حولها أيها وحي ما دري خسعة أو إنه يدور أنا تمر ماشي مركي أنا مان سيدي أنا وربسنا إني حولي أيها وحي بنلصق كلام بتقال قالوا ما بجرتم وح ويك لقلا ما بجرتم أنا كلام بنلاقيه إيه وحركنا إن أريك واحد لقى بدل ودياله أريك واحد بدل
لقيت الملام عودة ودي حسنا أنا جا واركين في الجلة سوف تساسو ليسي محاوى حول دقتنا إذن كي أنا تسميدا نحن هل ورا بيك دارسنا سوف تدخل لو جلا محاوى أنا ساكت يا تو درسد أيكو دارو عليك مركو حارو أنا سكين ليسو داوي أنا إذن كي أنا كلا نبض كنولا.
Ardayda ayaa sidoo kale soo bandhigay bandhigyo.
Peace Club. I'm from Bulla Mpya Primary and Junior School. My name is called Hakim Hussein. Today we have problem caused by the tariff. Number 1, cause occurs. Number 2, beginning of the parent for the collectors of the ransom. Number 3, displacement of the children.
My name is called Fakara Mohammed Abdul from Bulla Mpya Comprehensive School. I am a member of Peace Club and the treasurer of Peace. I am talking about problems in the countries. Number 9, it's loss of money. Number 10, loss of soul. Number 11, lack of health. Number 12, lack of nutrients.
Kadib bandhigga waxaa kulanka ka hadlay madaxa hay'adda Women for Peace Cabdiya iyo qaar ka mid ah macallimiinta iskuulka Bulla Mpya iyo Khadiija oo ka warbixiyay kulankii maanta.
I'm pleased that you have brought out the problem of tahriib and a mother who has orphan children. She told they need 3M or either they will remove the kidneys, the heart, whatever. So those are some of the problems that the parents face when you go for tahriib. So I will advise you young youth who are here today. Thank you for presenting that drama. But I will also advise you just to pass the same message to the youth in the villages, at your neighbors, your schoolmates, wherever you go. And even talk to your mothers, to your fathers, to advise also their children. You are now peace ambassadors in these schools.
Negative effect on children: fear, insecurity, poor school performance, negative behaviors. There's also health issues, stress, which causes some headache, a lot of problems. We have also financial problems. When disagreement involves many problems, violence and abuses.
These girls and these boys at school level, they try to calm any situation in the school. As you know that children, they like fighting in school. They like quarreling. So now these groups are the ones who can stand up and tell them to be in a peace mind. They solve their problem at their own level. In case maybe a girl has a problem in the school, they go to them first of all. They discuss with them. Today we are here to talk about peace. Here we have our coordinator, Madam Abdia. She's called Madam Abdia. She's the coordinator for Women for Peace.
Wakati kuna jambo limetokea, tunafanya nini? Kwa mfano, wanafunzi wawili wameanza kupigiana kelele pale kwa darasa. Wanaanza kuvurutana. Utafanya namna gani? Uko darasani pale. Ni wewe tu mtu mmoja uko pale. Utafanya namna gani? Marafiki zako wameanza kuvutana mmoja, wawili. Utafanya namna gani? Utanyamaza? Utashangilia? Utafanya nini? Simama katikati yao. Usimame kwa upande au mwingine, kaa katikati. Wewe ndio utasuluhisha hiyo jambo. Lakini kaa katikati usupport huyo. Sema Ruwaida ni best yangu.
Kulanka ayaana si nabada ku soo dhamaaday.
Our guest of honor in front of you, we are Patricia and Ruwaida from Khadiija Girls Primary and Junior School, ready to present a poem entitled Peace. Peace is a gentle, soft and kind. Peace is a gentle, soft and kind, a quiet home, a calm, a clear mind, where love can grow and fear will cease. The world is brighter when there is peace. Conflict stays when heart divide, but wisdom heals when peace thrives. Thank you.
Let us choose peace. Let us choose love. Let us understand each other and live in harmony.
I step toward you, a bridge we build, with kindness sown, our wounds are failed. Together we rise. Let anger cease, understanding, we found our peace.
Peace in the classroom.